Hello guys, I'm Khoa and I'm the owner of this channel, and I want to review some aircraft model for you. This morning in Vietnam about 8 a.m. I received two aircraft model, which is Airbus A321neo and Airbus A321. They are both in Vietnam Airlines livery and made by Gemini Jet. I don't want to waste any time, so get started. This is an A321 aircraft from Vietnam Airlines. As you can see, nice suit. I love it. I don't know what to say anything because this is my first video of the. This is the information about the aircraft. We have all the length and information about this aircraft as well. Let's let's open it. This is very delicate, high detail. It had a little bit of plastic to protect the paint of the aircraft. This is a A321 Vietnam Airlines livery. It's pretty cool. Dang. I love. Oh no, there's some mistakes here. As you can see, this landing gear is all shield up, and this one is has a hole in it. I don't know how to review these airplanes, but I myself give it a score of 9.5 out of 10, because I don't know, it's about you, because I can see the engine quite high, and the nose landing gear is a little bit off to the center. It's kind of off to the center. All the wheel can roll it. Roll is very smooth. This is A321 Vietnam Airlines liveries. Move on to the A321neo from Vietnam Airlines. I ordered it online about three days ago. It also have the same plastic mold like it, also a little plastic bag. It's gonna work well. What the fuck? We have some Oh no. Gemini. Oh no. Both wings. Oh my. Gemini, what have you done? I don't know what to say anymore. Let's continue. Because this is a new engine up. Oh my god, just fell. Oh my god, my aircraft. This is my setup. We have a little suction cup over here just to hold the phone. Oh no, my aircraft. I'm gonna end up in YouTube epic fail. Oh no. I hate this. I hate it so much. Come on, autofocus. This is a new livery. Yeah, that's right. New engine option, so the engine is bigger. Still kind of sucks though. The aircraft broke. I don't know what to say now. I think I'm gonna end this video right here, and let's just see. I want to contact with the seller again. I want to get feedback. Maybe I will get a new one. Hope so. Both landing gears are fine. Oh, this is quite. Oh no, the landing gear is too small. Too small, man. I hope it can roll better. Oh no, it cannot roll. The wheel is kind of broken. Oh my god. Sorry guys, I think I have to end my first video like this. See you next time. Tomorrow I will have a new aircraft, so stay tuned. If you like, you can subscribe and just like and subscribe. Yeah, that's enough for me. I just do this for fun. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.